Good morning, children. Now we have already completed chapter 1. Today I start chapter 2 of your grammar. देख लो book everybody. हाँ? All of you open page number 7. Page number 7. Types of nouns. Today we are going to learn about nouns. What is a noun? Do you know, children? The name of a person, place, animal, thing, anything which we can think, they are all known as nouns. Okay? The name of a person, place, animal or thing is called a noun. Everybody keep your fingers on page number, on number first line. Then second, continue with me, okay? Names given to the common things around you, like bird, hospital, instrument, are called common nouns. Nouns, names given to people, countries, towns, rivers, pets, months, days, etc. are called proper nouns. They begin with a capital letter. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. November, Morocco, Sarojini Naidu, Europe, etc. They are all proper nouns, okay? Let us revise the other types of nouns we have learned about earlier. In standard 4th you have learned all. Countable and uncountable nouns. A noun is countable if it can be counted. For example, chalk. 1 chalk, 2 chalks, 3 chalks, we can speak. For example, bird. The 1 bird, 2 birds, 3 birds, like that. Cows, the 3 cows. Countable nouns can be both singular and plural. A noun is countable if it cannot be counted. Uncountable. Okay, for example, water. Now we cannot say 1 water, get 2 waters. Oil. 1 oil, 2 oil, बोला ना बोला. These are known as uncountable, which we cannot count. For example, sugar, tea. Uncountable nouns do not have a plural form. We cannot say water, waters. It has got only one form. Now, countable nouns. The astronauts wore fireproof helmets. Astronauts. 1 astronaut, 2 astronauts. Astronaut means those who go in the sky. The parachutes were made of synthetic material. Parachutes. Uncountable nouns. The sand is hot and coarse. Hot sand. We cannot count 1 sand, 2 sand. Like that, Mrs. Sharma wants some tea. Now here, since uncountable nouns have no plural form, they don't have plural forms. Singular only. We sometimes use a word or phrase with it to give us an idea of quantity. For example, some water. Please give me some water. We cannot say please give me 1 water. We can't count. Little water. Thodu pani. Okay? A slice of bread. Indefinite articles A and N cannot be used before uncountable nouns. But the definite article the can be used before both countable and uncountable. Both we can use the. The oil. The water. But we cannot say A oil. No. Alright? Here, now countable nouns. An egg is a good source of protein. An egg. Okay, we can count. But uncountable nouns. The coffee has a strong flavor. The. Here we have used the. The examiners were very strict. He used the cloth to make a beautiful dress. Now turn page number 8. 7 over, now page number 8. Here. There isn't, now here pick a word from below and fill in the blanks. Here I have filled for you, okay? See, I will send you PDF. So from PDF you will copy in this book, in your grammar book with a pencil. Please don't use pens. Writing buggers. There isn't any, isn't. If negative word is there, isn't, then you have to use any with negative. Okay? There isn't any money left in the bank account. Too much coffee is bad for health. The chef asked us to add a little salt to the dish. The police has some information about the case. She wanted a lot of water to drink. No furniture is needed in the house. Now here I have filled for you. See, write the correct form of the word given in the brackets. Let us throw a few, thoda, pebbles in the water, pathar. There was blood on the car seat. The air in the city is very polluted. The storm was accompanied by thunder and lightning. Several farewell parties were organized for the principal. The fire started in the kitchen. Give all the cabinets a good coat of varnish. That means coloring. Do not litter the premises with sweet wrappers. Don't put wrappers. It's like when you open a sweet, don't throw the papers on the floor. His report has some errors that needed correction. Neela's mother is one of the members on the board. Okay. Now page number 9. 8/9. Okay. This also I have filled for you children. You have to fill. You want me to read, I will read for you. But this you have to learn by heart. આ બધા learn કરવાના છે, હા? See, the name given to a group of people, animals or things of one kind is called collective noun. A group of things of one kind. A collective noun is generally referred to in the singular form. It is mostly in the singular form only. The range of mountains was covered with snow. Range of mountains. One mountain is range. 1, 2, 3 all together. The man placed a bundle of sticks on his head. The sheepdog rounded up the flock of sheep. Now we fill in the blanks with the correct noun from those given in the board. The cluster of stars shone like diamonds in the sky. The bank was robbed by a gang of robbers. He is a member of the board of directors of the school. The children ran up the flight of stairs. A pride of lions. Lions are pride. Can be seen resting near the drops. The class gifted a bouquet of flowers to their teacher. The pack of wolves chased the rabbits. The armory of weapons is kept in a secret location. A swarm of bees was hovering over the lake. The class of exchange students attended every lecture. It was a treat to watch the team of players on the field. The wedding party was accompanied by a band of musicians. Okay, page number 9 completed.